Okay, so this video is going to show you how to use a page break and what it does for you. So let's talk about when you need it, what you probably did in the past. These are two sheets of paper here you can see on my Google Doc, and the font is really large. So it's 24 points. That's why it looks the way it does, but it's two pieces. You can see a divider kind of right here in the middle where there's a gap. All right, so where it's yellow, it says new topic and new page. And let's say after you're doing your report or your document, you want that to be on a new page. So what you might be tempted to do is hit return a couple times till it appears a new page. Okay, fine. But then what happens if you look at this later when you're proofreading and think, oh, I need to add some more text. And so you add some more text. So I just added a bunch of blue text here. And you can see that now it's no longer on a new page. So I've got to add all these returns again. There's got to be a better way so that the new topic and new page always is on a new topic and new page. And there is a way to do that. So let's go back up here. And I have this new topic and new page. I'm going to go to the beginning of the word new topic, new page. And here's how you insert a page break. Go to the insert menu and go down to where it says break, and then I'll choose page break. And now it's great because if I go up here at my previous page and I add more text, hey, my new page is still on a new page.